I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and exposing the antenna base. Use a 10 mm wrench and socket to loosen the nut under the scraper. This releases the mast. Once you back off the nut a few turns, use pliers to hold the mast steady while you prevent twisting on the base. You do this to avoid tearing the weather seal and scratching paint. Make sure to keep a clean cloth handy to catch grease and to protect the paint around the antenna. You now remove the mast completely, pull straight up, do not wiggle side to side, then set it aside. Next, disconnect the antenna cable connector by depressing the locking tab. Pull while supporting the harness so the wire does not tear. Once disconnected, remove the mounting screws around the base and use a plastic trim tool to lift the rubber gasket evenly. You do this to preserve the seal for reinstallation and to prevent. You finish by cleaning the mounting flange and inspecting the gasket. If it is damaged, replace or apply a thin silicone bead for a reliable seal. Reinstall the base by seating the gasket, tightening screws to snug but not over torque, reconnecting the cable, and threading the mast on last. Once done, test radio reception. If reception is poor, check connector pins for corrosion, verify continuity to the head unit, and ensure a good chassis ground. These steps diagnose common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.